So, hello, good afternoon. How it's going?
It's going good. What about you?
I'm also doing great.
So, what are you doing right now?
I'm just talking with you. I'm just having a conversation with you.
Apart from the conversation, what do you do?
Okay, apart from that, actually, I got my free time. So I called you that you'll be free to practice English. We could connect together for having an English conversation. So, how about you?
Wow, nice. Would you like to introduce yourself? Like we can after that understand each other through conversation.
I'd like to introduce myself. So, I'm Zabin Moshe. I come from Bangladesh. I'm in a Bengali medium school as a sixth class student. And about my hobby, if you tell, I love drawing. I love to meditate, anchoring in Bengali and reciting in Bengali at the same time. I'm interested in neuroscience, and currently my goal is to speak English fluently and confidently. And I have a YouTube channel which name is Zabin Moshe. Over there, I upload many English related videos. That's all about myself.
Wow, nice, amazing, wonderful. You are speaking. So, would you like to know about me?
Of course, I would like to know about you.
Okay, first of all, good afternoon.
Yes, good afternoon.
My name is Raju Kumar. I am from Bihar district in Sitamarhi. If I talk about my qualification, I have done 10th and 12th class from my native place. Now I am pursuing engineering third year. And if I talk about my hobby are dancing and playing chess and talk to some new people. Also, also dance a good dancer. And as well as I have a YouTube channel. There I'm uploading video like conversation English. Like my channel name is English Speak You. Speak You. That's all.
Thank you for giving your introduction.
Yeah, welcome. So, in which class right now you are studying?
Sixth class, I say you.
Six. Oh my God. How old are you right now?
12.
12 and 6. Wow, nice combination.
Great.
Okay. Okay, so what is your father do? What does your father do?
My father is a service holder. At the same time, in free time, he is also being some journalist sometimes, and but normally is now a service holder.
Oh my God, really amazing. So do you know so many my friends from Bangladesh they are studying in my college.
It's great. I know that before, because some times ago we could connect each other, but for network issues or something, I know that your friends are from Bangladesh and they study in Bangladesh. So I'm very proud of it. And your friends must know the Bengali language, and your friends do know Bengali language. Do you know Bengali language?
Yeah, and my friends know. Yesterday I taught my friend. Do you know I one day I will talk to Bangladeshi girls. He's from also Bangladesh. Really? Yeah, I will. You see my video in YouTube. Definitely. He don't know too much English compared to you. You are very good. We are knowing very good English compared to him. He's speaking like a broken English, but compared to you, you are speaking very well. And I say to him, you see that video, you will shock. Wow, my country girl is speaking very well English, very well English. Then say, okay, okay, I will definitely watch your video.
Thank you for sharing the video with your friend.
Yeah. So, what are the method you are following the for learning this language?
My strategy to learn English is, first of all, I must tell about my listening power. My God gave me this listening power to build up and boost my English speaking power. And if I tell about my English journey, I started in class 3 and I'm pretty fluent in class 4. But from the newest that nowadays I'm correcting my English, learning idioms and phrases because English is a huge language. I have to learn it. Even native speakers do know some English well, but they don't know some English words. And for us, our Bengali person, we don't know Bengali words too, some Bengali words. That's why English is a language. You have to learn it for learning. And when a teacher learns English, teacher have to learn English and any language. Language is just great wonder. Anyway, if I tell my strategy to learn English is listening power, speaking power, listening and speaking at the same time. This is my strategy. And if you tell about me, when I do everything in my life, I change my settings into English. So that's all about my English journey.
So all around your background, I think English made English. Yeah, your does your mother also English medium school is studied?
No, they both studied in Bengali medium school.
Oh, but they know, yeah, but they know English.
No, not pretty much, but my father know little English, but my mother don't know much English, but she helps me to watch videos. And sometimes when she get to know, like, Miss Albin, could you tell what this called in English? I tell her in English, and both my parents didn't know English so much, but they helped me, they play me, they got me, but they didn't know English so much, but I created by myself.
Oh wow, you're creating English nowadays. Every day you are talking some new people, and also you are doing practice itself, right?
Yeah, but when I was just a beginner that time, I'm having conversation, but I don't have one-to-one video English conversation that time. In my YouTube channel, I upload self-content over there. I upload many English-related videos, but over there nowadays, I'm uploading one-to-one video call English conversation, and yeah, it's it.
Wow, really amazing. You are doing hard work. I saw your channel. You are doing really hard work compared to other children, other son like this. Do you know this age to now you are 12 years old. This is the peoples and childrens are they are playing something game and doing some other activity. But you are very mature this age. I don't know how it is possible. You're because of your mother, your father. Yeah, you. I don't know. You are such a great person. Wow.
Yeah, from my childhood when I was just 3 or 4, that time I hate, playing off online games. But I play offline games because it's my favorite. But online games is mobile games, PUBG, Free Fire. I don't know these names, but from my school where I study, they asked me, "Did you don't play in your whole life?" Yes, I hate the game. I don't cannot see in my own eyes. And when some children plays games in mobile in Corona, COVID-19, and that time I used to practice English, but it's not mean a very hard work for me. I love English, that's why so.
Oh, really? Wow.